Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my session here. I'm Swapna here. Today we are going to know some interesting facts about our child. Let us see what are the facts. A child has an unconscious mind which achieves consciousness through work and experience with objects in the environment naturally. From 0 to 3 years, the child takes in the whole environment without effort through his unconscious intelligence. From 3 to 6 years, he takes it in with effort, that is, consciously using his hands to enrich his experiences and develop himself. The observation 1 is the child first sees the color of the apple when he first is introduced with the apple. Observation 2 is the shape of the apple and the size of the apple. The first thing they do is observation. Physical activity is needed for the child for his growth, development, and his physical fitness is very important during his growing years. Create an environment. Spread a mat and place an apple on the mat. Now observe the child's reaction. The physical activity given to the child helps their muscles to strengthen, and further the child will be ready to hold a pencil to write the alphabet. This sandpaper alphabets help the child to write the alphabet. When I was preparing these models, my daughter helped me with the shapes of these pictures, apple, ball, and etc. She was 6 years old that time, and she was so enthusiastic to help me with cutting these shapes. The sandpaper alphabets, I did the designing and I cut it because it's very difficult for her to cut. And so you can also engage your child in such kind of activities, giving this art and craft activities. So basically, the sandpaper letter strengthens the muscles of the child's hands, and indirectly their fingers and hands would be ready for holding the pencil or the crayon to write and color. Our children are our future. Impart good education and shape them into a successful individual. I hope my session is very helpful to you. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.